Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, so welcome back to my channel, the Programmer Tutorials channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And welcome back to the third episode of Python from Zero to Hero. This episode, we will help you write your first line of code and we're gonna explain everything about it. So our first line of code, and it's very famous between programmers, is hello world, right? So what's this? Actually, this prints hello world on the screen, okay? So if we just execute our program or we run our program, I'm gonna make the console window bigger. So hello world, yeah. So it prints whatever is here in the screen. If we say hello Mark, it's gonna print hello Mark. Okay, hello Mark, right? So let's explain everything about this piece of code or this line of code. So print is a function, okay? What's a function? We're gonna learn about functions in the next episodes, but for now, pretend that function is a worker. You have a company, you have a lot of workers or a lot of employees. Print is a worker here, and this worker just print whatever you tell it or whatever you ask for in the screen. This is what this worker do. So you just call this worker here by writing a print, and this worker gives you a set of parentheses to write your content inside this set of parentheses. You cannot write your content outside that. You just need to write your content right here. And when you call this worker, you just tell it to print whatever, like, hey, I want to print hey, and it's gonna print hey, you see? So this is a function. Pretend that it is your worker, and every function need a set of parentheses. There is no function that doesn't need that. So this is the function, all right? This is everything related to the function. Now let's explain what's inside. Inside we have a text, which is a text we want to print, but this text is within a code, a set of codes. So why? Because it is a text, it should be within a set of codes. This is the rules of Python and almost all the other programming languages. You cannot write a text just like this. You will get an error. If you want to print GGG, you see here, name error, name GGG is not defined. So you just need to make it like this and it's gonna be printed here, right? That works for text. So if you have a number, a whole number, an integer, or if you have a decimal number, it's gonna work just fine. You see here, 3 and 3.5. You don't need this code. This code is needed for a type, a data type called strings, which stands for the text data type, right? So that's it for your first line of code. And I hope that you execute your line of code without any errors. Attempt to just write anything you want. Just don't be scared. Print hello, print your name, your friends' names, your family name. Wait a minute, I forgot the codes. So print whatever you want, right? Print your major, your goals, print everything you want on the screen. If you want to share this with me, please share them down in the comments below. I hope this video was useful. So please, if it was useful and if you like it, press the like button and the subscribe button and the share button and the notification bell. And thanks a lot.